Hello guys, welcome to Nifty Nayak. Today I will be discussing a strategy on Bank Nifty for the month of July. So we will be executing this in the monthly expiry. So before I do that, I want you to follow me on my Twitter and Telegram and Facebook channels so that I will be sharing the trades there and you will be able to get updates as soon as I do it. So this is my Twitter handle, which is @nifty_nayak, and this is my Telegram channel, which is Nifty Nayak. You can just search it, you will get it, or the links are given in the description below, which you can follow and make sure you take the right trades. Now let's go to the strategy. So this is a simple Bank Nifty daily chart. So before I explain you the strategy, I want you to know something about congestion points. So congestion points are nothing but those regions after which Bank Nifty makes a huge movement. Okay. So let me just show you what congestion points are. So in this chart, you can see that this has been a congestion point. Okay. This has been a congestion point. You can see after that Bank Nifty has fallen after this point. Here you can see that this has been a congestion point. Okay. After this breakout, Bank Nifty has made a huge movement. So let me just delete them. Okay. So now after congestion zones, Bank Nifty either makes a huge movement on the upside or it can even make a huge movement on the downside. It is riskier to take one-sided trades. As you all know, being traders, we have to manage our risks. Now coming to a bigger picture, Bank Nifty is in its mojo. We can see that from past few days, Bank Nifty is making good movement, and Nifty and the markets in particular are not falling because there is a very good sectorial rotation which is happening. One day metals will support, one day IT will support, one day Reliance will support, one day banks will support. So everyone is expecting the markets to correct a little, but that is not at all happening. It went from 14,000 to 15,000 and is now almost inching towards 16,000. So I won't be surprised if we touch 16,000 in this expiry, in this July expiry. But will we be able to break and may move even higher 16,000 is a $1,000,000 question, which time will answer. So coming to Bank Nifty is in a wonderful trading zone. So now coming to technicals, you can see that we have formed a cup and a saucer pattern here. Okay. So you can see there is a wonderful cup and a saucer, and now this point is this point is going to be a crucial point. If we break this point, okay, then probably we can expect market to go even higher. Okay. So this is my expectation from Bank Nifty for the month of July. So I am expecting market to make an all-time high in this expiry, where this is the all-time high. So Nifty just has to break this point. Okay. So let me just delete all this. So yeah, one second. Yeah. So here coming to the support and resistances. Every time Bank Nifty takes support and resistance at the congestion zones. So you can see here, this was an alt. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, yeah. So Bank Nifty made an all-time here. After that, it fell. It took support somewhere at this level. After this level, it tried to rebound, but again it could not break. So there was multiple tops which happened around this level. Then we came to know that this was the range. After this range breakout on the lower side, you can see that Bank Nifty fell all the way to this point and it took support at this level. So previously it had taken support around that level and this time it took support slightly around the same level. Then markets started rallying, but again markets fell from this point as well. So we considered this as the resistance. Then one day even this resistance was broken, it went up and it took resistance at this level. So now even this has broken and now we are in a congestion zone. So you can see that this is a kind of a congestion zone. So we have multiple things in place. We have a cup and saucer pattern. We have a congestion zone. The banks in the US are very strong as per Fed. So considering all this, we may continue a rally on the upper side. So I am expecting the market or the Bank Nifty to go higher, and I won't be surprised, as I told you, if it makes an all-time high as well. So considering all that, I am taking this trade in Bank Nifty for this expiry. So let me just delete this. Okay. So you know that Bank Nifty on Friday closed at 35,400 approximately. So what I'll be doing is I'll be buying 35,000 put one lot and a call one lot. Okay. So this is how the graph will look like. Now I'll be selling 33,500 put 5 lots. Okay, and 37,500 5 lots call. This ratio, this strategy is called double ratio spread. Okay, so this is the trade which I will be doing. Okay, now on the upper side, I have a break-even point of 38,000 approximately. Okay, here 38,200, and on the lower side, I have room till 33,050. Okay. Now, even if Nifty goes somewhere 1,000, 2,000 point, I will be making 47,000 for a capital of 6 lakhs, which is approximately 6-7%, which is good enough for a month. Okay. And there is not much monitoring required for this. So you have a wide gap. So let me just go and check this here. Let me just delete all these. Okay. So the range is 33,000 and 38,000. Okay, I'll just round it off. 33,000 is somewhere here. Okay, sorry. Here, yeah. Yeah, here. And 38,000, which is also here. Here. So you see that we have a wide range. So let us see what is that range what we have. So the range what we have is 4,900, which is approximately 5,000. So with 5,000 points range, I think it is good enough for taking this trade in Bank Nifty. Yes, if things go wrong, then probably we can put a stop loss and exit the trade. So as I told you, even if Bank Nifty goes higher as per our expectation, then we'll be making wonderful profit. But if Bank Nifty falls and if it comes close to 33,500, even then that is good and we'll be making a wonderful profit. So this is the way how we have to take trades in Bank Nifty. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you for watching.